What's up, guys? It's Viral Money Dude once more. It's been a while I dropped a video on this channel, and I think for the next couple of days or weeks, I would be dropping some series of videos. So if you're just coming across this channel for the first time, I would want you to hit the subscribe button, like this video, and also share this video if you find it helpful. All right. I would also advise you to also check other videos I've made previously so that you get to understand exactly what this channel is about and how you can gain from this channel and make the best out of it. So with that being said, in this video, I would show you guys over 15 remote platforms. These are actually new platforms I have come across, and maybe you might know one or two platforms that I might show here. For some of you, it could be the first time you might be seeing these platforms. So I would just ask you to pay attention, watch this video to the end, so that you're going to hear from me, you're going to hear what my reviews are about these platforms and how you can get into these platforms so you can start making money for yourself via the remote space. So let's get into this video, guys.
All right, guys. So we are going to review the 15 websites, like I said in the start of the video, and I will tell you one or two things about this website so that you're aware of these platforms and then you know what to do. Now, like I always say, I always advise people to get started with these platforms just for the sake of registration. Just register on this site. Even if you don't find any job compatible with your skills and all those things, just register and just join our community and then keep following up, okay? Because most of the sites would come up and you might not see any particular job available at that moment, but in future, maybe in a week or two or month, you might get to see opportunity to jump into this platform, and then it might be too late for you to get access into this platform. So the first platform in our list is CNTXT. Okay, CNTXT. You can see the platform right here, and it's a Dubai owned AI annotation site. If you look at it, you can see there are so many jobs, but mostly for people in Egypt, Dubai, but there are also jobs that are available remotely. So if you are a mathematics expert, you can see there is a mathematics expert here which you can apply for on this platform. So you can also put your CV, okay, to be focused on this. So let's just head over to jobs. Remember, the links to all the 15, okay, the 15 platforms would be in the comment section or in the description box of this video. So make sure you check that out. So I'm just going through my application. This is the application I went for, data annotation, image annotation specialist. I would have that, the link to that also in the comment section. So you can see these are all the skills. If I go over to filter and I filter for hourly contract, let's see what we have under hourly contract. So we have the mathematics expert, and if I go all, if you go down, you see other remote jobs that are available, okay. These are all bilingual. You can see we have financial AI evaluator, we have medical AI evaluator. All these are available remotely, so you can actually apply for this, and then there is a high chance you would get selected. All right, so these are what are available. You can also see we have English US native AI trainer evaluator, and so many of these other jobs available for you to apply. All right, moving on to the next is Rent a Human. All right, so Rent a Human is another platform that works here in Nigeria, and what you see on this platform, you would see different gigs. As you can see, all these platforms, I would advise you to explore them, as I would not be able to go into detail on them, but in future I'm going to make a detailed video on each of these platforms at least. So you just sign up for this platform and you're going to see various tasks that you would check out and see if you can perform them. You can see this is create Rodin Ready Dune reference packs for film video frame, record a 40 to 60 second testimonial video from script. You can see $5. This is US and remote, so you have to check the description to make sure it matches your location and it's not restricted to certain countries, okay, or certain location, so that you don't just work and not get paid. So moving on to the third platform on my list is Passiflora. And Passiflora, I would say jump into Passiflora, and when you jump into Passiflora, make sure your CV is either a master CV or a PhD CV. I will not advise jumping into Passiflora with just a BSc CV, because my account has a bachelor's degree. The last time there was a project which a lot of persons were invited into, even in my community, I wouldn't be able to show that. But once you jump into Passiflora, just head over to the Bloom program, as you can see on the left side of my screen. When you head over to Bloom program, you have to complete 4 modules of course, and then complete an expert certification exam to get into Passiflora. Now moving forward to the fourth on our list is Crowdtado. And you can see Crowdtado, we have English conversation recording. We have also emotional English script reading, $12 per hour. And we have several other jobs that are not that are very niched, okay, to specific languages. So for Crowdtado, I think you would actually need a VPN. Just turn on your VPN or proxy on your laptop and you'll be able to sign up and use the platform. So make sure to also check Crowdtado. The links will always be in the description. Now moving forward to another very important site is Soberano. Now Soberano was a site I brought. Nobody knew about this platform. I was one of the first person to talk about this platform on LinkedIn and also on X. And quite a number of my students got into the internship program, which was offering over 500 euro per month. Some of them got into it. And even for Passiflora, these were the two that I was able to see students in my community. I wish I could show you the proof, but I might do that towards the end of this video or so that I can wrap this up. So Passiflora is a new platform that's coming up. With time, I believe more opportunities would come up on this platform. So make sure you get your account quickly. The link will be in the comment section. You can see they currently have 2 tags: financial expert, modeling expert, although it's open to just the US or Europe. And then we also have Catalan audio transcriber, which is for Spanish speaker. Moving to the next is Goblik. So you can see Goblik is also another platform that's open to Nigerians. Although the only issue I have with Goblik is, if you look at the current jobs here, we have medical annotator, AI healthcare, and the stipend there is between 100k to 213k naira in a month, which is fair. But if you look at the openings right here on the left, you can see it was only open to 5 persons. So not much opening for each of these jobs. You can see this was 20 opening, and this is Bengali audio transcription, which is majorly for India. We have financial expert or data analyst. You can see the openings are actually small, but I don't know, you could just apply for it. Apply for whichever of these jobs you feel you are inclined to, and who knows, maybe you might get picked. Maybe they needed more, and this is just for show. So you're going to see the links to all this in the comment section. And then moving forward to the next platform on my list is Anlaxa AI. Okay, Anlaxa AI. So here in Anlaxa AI, you can see there is currently a data annotation specialist project open, which is paying over $4 to $25 per hour based on the region. So I'm going to drop the application link so that you can come in, fill in the form, all right, fill in every necessary thing and apply for this project. All right, so we have talked about 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7 platforms so far. Moving forward to the 8th platform. The 8th platform on my list, okay, is Spout. And Spout is trending right now in Nigeria. It's open to Igbo, Hausa, Yoruba, and English users. to make conversations here on this platform. And you can see the price added to each audio hour transcription. Okay, it's $10. If you have nothing doing, I think Sprout would be the best, or the first place, or the first platform I would want you to start with. All right, very straightforward. You just need to apply, give an audio sample, they will review it and approve it within the space of 3 days or more. Now the next platform, or the 9th platform on my list, is Ask Ethos. All right, so Ask Ethos, as you can see, is another very interesting site. Although I'm just starting on this platform and I'm just checking things out and still going through the screening interview and other things to make sure my profile is fully on board and I can get opportunities on this platform. But I think this platform is also having some secret opportunities yet to be identified. So I would advise you to get a full account set up on Ask Ethos. Now, moving forward to the next is JoinShift. And JoinShift is a video annotation site. In fact, it's trending right now. A lot of platforms are actually subcontracting for this platform. So you can see there are a lot of things. You have to pass through a training phase, knowledge quiz, and screening, and do a test, and all this to enable you to complete onboarding, and then you can now start annotating on JoinShift. So you can see I've completed 18 tasks. As you can see, I'm already certified, completed 20 of the certification steps, and I'm currently labeling on this JoinShift, and it's actually paying quite well. Okay, I think the rate they are offering is $15 per hour. All right, moving forward to the 10th platform on my list, or the 11th platform, sorry, on the list, is Decan Expert. So Decan Expert, as you can see right here, is another site. Although I've not finished signing up on my profile, I need a school email. This is more like handshake in a way, like they require a school email or a professional email, and then I need either a IELTS test score, this English certification and other things, and then maybe some recommendation, and then I would have access to my full dashboard on Decan AI Expert. So like I said, these are platforms I just discovered, and I'm still trying them because I have a lot on my hands. I'm not able to do all, but I'm bringing it out for you guys so that you can also explore. You can pick a certain platform and work with it. You can start checking each of these platforms 2 per day, 3 per day, based on how free or serious you are about remote jobs. All I can do for you is to show you this platform, and in future, if I have any updates regarding them, I would also bring it to you guys. Now, moving over to the 11th platform is aihubs.xyz. And I also think this platform is not available to Nigerians. I don't know for other regions, but if you have a proxy or VPN, you can access or use this platform however you like. So I think most of these platforms are not so strict as compared to Outlier and the rest when it comes to detecting proxy or VPN. So check out aihubs.xyz, another very good platform with a lot of tags on it. Now, moving forward to the 12th platform on my list is also Event Money, and you can see also not available, but if I turn on my local VPN on my laptop right now, you're going to see that I would have access to this platform almost immediately. So like I said, if you have these proxies or VPN, it will help you, okay, accessing this platform. So let me just go, so you can see I now have access to it once more. Okay, I can see it seems this proxy is their proxy detection is very strong. So you might probably need an anti-detect browser and then a proxy. Okay, good proxy, and not just an ordinary VPN or a free VPN like what I'm using right now. So moving on to the 14th site here on my list is verify.com. A lot of people in the community has also gotten jobs from this platform. You can see there are a lot of important rules. There are a lot of jobs here on this platform. Okay, there are annotation jobs here. There's a PhD annotation job that I shared and most of my students got. Don't worry about the label that shows location India. Okay, if you check most, you see that their jobs are global, and they would either specify excluding the United States. So you can see, and they would specify the country that they require in the job. So you check, and if you find any, you can see this is global, but they prefer India. So it doesn't matter whether you are from India or not, you can still apply despite that. So we can see we have Ubuntu tax contributor. I think this is also a fair job to also apply for. So I'll get a list of these jobs that I think would be good for you guys to apply for it, so that you can also apply for it and get started on this platform. Now, moving to the last platform is datamundi.ai. And on datamundi.ai, you can see there are actually some jobs here that are available. English data collection, that is remote. And we also have transcription and quality control, that is also remote. And we also have English data collection, real world wide guard, tickets and gift card, that also remote. So you can use these jobs to actually get into this platform, and then in future, if there are other opportunities that come, you don't need to make any direct application, or you might already have direct access to the team to apply for it. So guys, these are the 15 sites that I'm able to check out for you guys. Although few, about 2 or 3 are restricted to Nigerians. I don't know about any other country else, but I think if you have a good proxy or multi-login, you would be able to access this platform and then perform tasks on this platform and then make money online. So guys, make sure to like this video if you're just coming across this channel for the first time. Subscribe to this YouTube channel, and please do share this video to your friends, so that it encourages me to make more videos like this to help you guys out there, so we make money online together. And with that being said, I'll see you guys in another video.